Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn on YouTube comments. First of all, you can open the YouTube application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on your videos, and if you will upload any video, you can see your videos here. And now you can tap on the three dots that is right of the video. Tap on the three dots, and now you will find the option edit. Tap on edit. You can just simply scroll down and you will find the last option, that is comments. Tap on it, and now make sure that you enable this option on, and this is the way you can turn on comments on YouTube. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.